Are you tired of working in the mortgage protection industry with hard-to-issue, low-commission, non-competitive products that harm your portfolio and do not help it? Have you been searching for the right product and agency to partner with? Then you found it. Diversified is your answer. We are proud to be an exclusive partner with Columbian. We will partner with you to provide Columbian's simplified issue term products to all of your clients. We guarantee to offer the highest commissions, subsidized leads if necessary, a team which is committed to your success, and most importantly, recognition for a job well done. And if you're looking for more than just a Columbian product, Diversified is proud to offer all of the top mortgage protection products out there at the highest commissions available. So give us a call today, and let's figure out how to partner together.